Okay, as I told you guys, I'm going to do carburetor stuff here. I'm getting something that's completely different. I don't have my GoPro camera, so you'll have to bear with the shaky, blurry phone stuff here. This is my new toy for carburetors. As I was telling you, I was getting something. That looks pretty generic user manual, but it's pretty self-explanatory. What I have here, give me a second here, is a mess. I'll try getting set up to do better openings and on my couch, but right now with some of the stuff's going on, this is the best I have. Here's the basket, the lid. Let's see if I can get it out of the bag here. And the unit, I see that popped out of place already. So what we have here, if I get to the side, front, is an ultrasonic cleaner. If you don't know what it is, you'll have to Google it. But I have chemicals that I got specifically for doing carburetors. And this is how I'm going to be cleaning my carburetors. I will be using Chem Dip